Okay, I have started recording. Okay, we are back. For some reason, we are back once
So,
again. Today we're doing Sinenerdal. We have recovered our
sino,
account.
Congrats.
We have a profile. Oh, look. We have done a bunch. They have
Ang layo na, kalahati.
they have some new
ginawa,
games.
We have new things.
Let's try one of these. This is Assemble. I don't know what it is. And
Burgle.
it says A1, so this might be the only one.
craft your card. Add one card of your choosing to the set before you
Craft your
start.
card, then assemble movies that use as many cards as possible. More cards equals more points.
Ayun yung card sa baba.
Okay.
Huh.
So
Ang
we
hirap.
can add one card to this set. Tama? Craft your card below to start playing. Okay. Parang medyo challenging to ah.
Oo nga.
Kaya
Gets mo na?
nanalo na ba ng Academy Awards si Spike Lee?
Parang hindi pa.
Hindi kasi ganito ah. Uh we have to make movies that assemble as many cards as possible. So we have to hit a lot of these. Kasi kunwari Adam Sandler plus romance plus love, madali lang yun, di ba? Kaya sa bunch of rom-coms.
Love in the title?
Sure, Punch Drunk Love, siya ba yun?
Yeah.
Parang hindi. Siya ba yun?
Yeah.
Siya yata yun eh.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4 na kaagad.
Starts with H. Okay,
What?
let's just add something and see what happens. Cast and crew. Let's
Happy
add.
Ay,
Gilmore.
wait. Each card can be used 3 times.
Okay, I see. Let's add like Drew Barrymore. Wait, sino kasama niya sa Punch Drunk Love?
Si British actress Emma,
Thompson?
no,
Roberts?
Watson?
hindi.
Stone?
Nasa ano siya, nasa
Describe her.
Red Dragon.
Does not help.
Anong pangalan nito?
Okay, never mind. I'll just go with Drew Barrymore.
Sure.
Since
Ay, ano, yung director nun, Punch Drunk Love is ano, si PTA, I think.
How does this autocomplete work?
Clinic mo ba?
Oh, add card. Okay. So let's see. We can assemble a movie. So that's our first guess. Si Punch Drunk Love. How is there autocomplete?
What? Parang wala na. Ayun.
There was a dash.
Okay.
Aha! We got so
Umilaw?
many. What do you mean?
112.
What did we hit? Ayun.
Tapos make other guesses. So yung additional card na yun is supposed to help us
Find
Um,
any other movie na mas maraming hits.
What additional card? Yung ginawa
Yes.
natin?
PTA.
Mm-mm.
Wala na tayong ano eh.
PTA na wala na
PTA
Academy
na
Award.
2000s.
Ang dami.
Sige, so ano?
Is there any sa 2000s?
Phantom Thread. Nanali ba yun?
No.
One Battle, yeah. Yan, for sure.
Hindi, bakit ako 2000s para multiple? Magnolia, nanalo
Magnolia?
ba? Nanalo ba
Magnolia,
Magnolia?
I think so.
Oh, it's 99. What's his 2000s movie?
Boogie Nights?
Any fantasy?
I don't think Boogie Nights won.
97? Okay.
Okay, we'll just do one battle. Oh, that's just
Oh, it's
two.
even higher. Ay, hindi pala 28.
Ano pa bang
Uy, dalawang beses na si PTA,
10
Fantasy,
times number of
2000.
cards raised to the 1.5. Okay, let's do something na
Easy
fantasy.
nandito.
Wow.
Fantasy na Spike Lee. Fantasy na won an Academy
ROTK.
Award ng 2000s. Oo nga, yeah, ROTK.
Okay.
Tatlo lang yun. Baka may better. Fantasy na H. 2000s.
Ha, ha, ha.
Hirap no H.
Harry Potter.
Oo nga.
Mm,
Wait, 2000s ba yun?
Mm-mm.
Merong isa na nanalo ng ano eh, ng award for like, is it like costuming or special
Costume
effects or
ata.
something?
The third one, I think.
Which one was the third one?
Kaban?
Azkaban.
Azkaban.
Okay. It did not.
Wala.
So baka hindi siya yung nanalo.
Okay, we can just do 3 Harry Potters.
Para sa H.
Which of the Harry Potters had Adam Sandler?
What?
None.
Buisit.
None.
Buisit.
Okay, we should name a Spike Lee movie kasi siya na lang yung unused pa eh.
Meron
So-
yung basketball movie na si Denzel Washington tapos si Iverson ba yun?
Wow.
What is this basketball
Anong movie
movie?
yun?
That might be si Ray Allen.
Ray Allen ba?
Ayan, basketball person.
Hello, TZ. Long
Hello.
time.
Long time no hear.
Busog
Well-
na ako. Ang dami pang pagkain.
What is the food?
I already told you.
No, I mean what specifically in KFC?
One piece chicken.
One Piece lang?
Hindi mo naubos yung one piece chicken?
Oo, busog na ako. And half rice
Aw.
lang. Yung so far. Busog na ako. What's happening to me?
Alam ko na,
Aw.
Cry.
You're
Didn't
going
he have like a Malcolm X?
Yeah.
Academy Award.
Did that win?
2000s.
Did that
2000s.
win an Academy Award?
I don't know.
92, hindi siya 2000.
Denzel Washington yun, yes. Wala naman pala si Denzel Washington dito.
Ano ba yan? Spike Lee lang na hit.
I think he also had the movie with Chadwick. Did he have a movie with Chadwick?
Yung Black Klansman, hindi Spike Lee yun, pero I don't think Chadwick Boseman ba yun?
Oh,
Oscar,
oh,
yun.
Oscar winner. Okay. Okay, we are not getting a lot of points.
2000.
I kinda don't like this game.
Yeah, it's hard, but let's finish
Ayaw
it.
mo ng 2000s fantasy na wala ng Academy na ROTK?
Pwede naman.
Ba't hindi pa nataka? Nagsabi na kanina.
Kasi I want to get more points.
Bawal na si 2000s, tsaka si Academy.
PTA na
Uh,
romance na Adam Sandler. May PTA ba na Adam at ano na pala yung Punch Drunk? Pero is there something else?
Kaya mo mag-Happy Gilmore, pero dalawa lang tatamaan nun eh.
wait. Doesn't Paul Thomas Anderson have a fantasy movie that starts with H? No. Hindi ba romance yung Happy Gilmore?
It's about golf, di ba?
Oh, pero
Para
may
siyang,
romantic interest siya doon, si Julie Bowen.
Parang inspirational thing.
Sports comedy.
Oh, parang ganun.
Spike Lee.
Okay, let's just finish this. Just name a Paul Thomas Anderson.
Try mo Poetic Justice. I think that's Spike Lee na romance.
It
Romance
wasn't
lang.
even Spike Lee.
Maliban Spike Lee.
Our score is
Di ba
terrible.
Hunger Games?
Hunger Games. Love?
Wala na yung H. Ay, meron pa. Ay, may the. Kinount?
I think it counts. Pero hindi siya kinount as fantasy.
Grabe, hindi siya kinount as fantasy.
Di ba dystopian na, I don't know. Mang genre.
YA.
Young adult.
Young adult.
This sci-fi.
Sci-fi.
Wala bang movie
Kaya
si Adam Sandler na na Paul Thomas Anderson? Parang wala,
Yun na, Punch Drunk. Yun lang yung alam ko.
Huh? Ano na? Let's finish this. Anong fantasy na may love?
Stardust?
Love. Thor,
Love
Love
in
and
the
Thunder.
Title.
Kala yung title. Oh.
Okay, Paul Thomas Anderson na may love. Parang wala.
Hindi ba ko tinanay po yung love lalabas naman yung mga different
Oo nga.
This is
pieces.
true.
Yan o, Love and Thunder.
Sinagot ko na yan.
Okay.
Wait, I can just do this again. Oh, okay. I can't. Tinest naman niya. Hindi lang siya vibe coded. Okay, I'll just finish this. I need one more Spike Lee movie.
Nga yung basketball movie na yun.
In the
Is it For Love of the Game? Yung ba yung title nun?
The Five Bloods, yan, okay.
The Five Bloods.
Tignan natin yung leaderboard. We only got 416. 520. That's actually not as bad as not as big a gap as I
Pili
thought.
mo 1,000.
Okay, let's try this other one. Critical Puzzles.
Wow.
What is this? Oh, there's a lot.
Umabot na siya ng 268.
Oh, I don't think we're ready to play Battle Mode again.
Battle. What does it say?
Me watching this movie for the first time in release year. Wow, character is awful for doing that to character. He had her escaped and she did that to him. Me watching this now. Lamau, that's what you get for taking with your dick, you dumb bitch. I see. So may review. Grabe, wala man lang year. Okay, so we get minus points. We
For revealing other stuff.
Ano yan? V for Vendetta yan.
Did he think with his dick?
Hindi pala.
Minus 1.
Oh,
He
man.
helped her escape and she did that to him.
Okay, so a woman helped.
Merong escape. Balik
Ay,
na.
no.
Escape
I mean,
yun.
a man helped a woman escape because he was thinking with his dick.
With his dick.
Is it a zombie movie?
I don't think so.
Wait. After he had her escape, she did that to him. So, grabe.
Parang betrayal.
Basta na betrayal.
I'm going to
Pero,
reveal another review.
sure, why not?
Some of the best special effects of any movie released this century, and some of the best dancing
best.
too.
There's
This
dancing.
is Deus Ex. Or Ex Machina. Sorry, Ex Machina.
Galing mo.
Wow!
Yeah. napanood ko na to eh.
Also,
Napanood ko rin yan.
Ako din.
I have not
Pero yung
seen
si ano?
I have not seen it.
Di ba ganun yung nangyari?
Vikander.
Kaya siya nakatakas kasi naawa sa kanya si Donald Gleason.
Let's do another one. Me before the movie. Wow, new franchise movie. After the movie. Wow, I am now more comfortable with my own mortality and ready to confront
Matrix
my
ba
inevitable
yan?
death. No, I think it's like Final Destination. I don't know.
Hindi mo alam na magiging
Pwede,
franchise
pwede.
siya at the time.
Pwede rin. Oh.
No, it
Pwede.
might be like Final Destination 5 or something.
Okay.
The
So,
final,
ka-
final.
so, kailangan natin malaman kung anong year. Or wait, no. Di ba may yung 5 is the latest one after a long time? So, baka it's 5.
Should we guess or reveal one?
Tingnan mo yung year. Tingnan mo yung year. Final Destination. Type ka lang.
Uh,
Tapos lilitaw na siya marami.
pero how does that help us?
Yung after a long
Diba?
time. Ayan,
Oo.
2011. Ay, or
Bloodline.
is there something later?
Walang sinabing after a long
2025.
time. Saan yun nakuha yun?
Inassume ni Cry kasi parang wow, may bagong
Oo.
addition
Yeah.
to the
So,
franchise.
so yung Bloodlines ata. Yun yung matagal eh. Sorry.
I don't even, seeing my childhood and current hero suffer from anxiety attacks after I checked out of school because of it. Okay.
Childhood hero.
Isipin natin some sort of legacy movie like kunwari si Top Gun, di ba? Nag-Top Gun Maverick siya after a long time.
Tama.
Pero it has to be a franchise. What is it?
Tapos may anxiety attack within the movie.
After I
Oo.
checked out of school because of an anxiety attack.
Kasi dati, nung bata pa siya, he was the childhood hero. Tapos later, when he appeared in the new movie, may anxiety na siya when he grew up.
Star Wars?
Okay, is it like Indiana Jones and the Dial of Destiny?
Sige.
He didn't suffer from anxiety attacks. Okay, should we...
Tigpipiso lang ba yung minus? No, may minus 2.
I'm now comfortable with my own. So parang siguro feeling ko parang passing the baton type.
Baka The Mummy. Wait, may bagong The Mummy ba? Si Brendan Fraser?
Not yet. It's
Meron. Si
Wala pa.
Tom Cruise.
It's being filmed. Hindi siya yun. It's a different
Hindi
guy.
ba siya yun?
Different guy.
Yung yung bago, yung pinaka-recent.
Si Tom Cruise nga yung bida doon, hindi si Brendan Fraser.
Oo nga. Ayun.
Tsaka hindi siya same
Hindi siya part-
franchise.
Yeah, iba ba?
How does this work again?
We're guessing a movie from the comments. Basahin mo yung mga reviews.
Let's do one more review.
Sure, why not?
They really need to go this hard for a blank movie.
Okay,
But
so
I'm
it's
so glad they
colorful,
did.
wacky, and creative big budget animated movies. Fingers crossed they do something similarly stylized. Oh, is it Toy Story?
Oh, could be.
Hindi,
Anxiety?
meron bang
May
mortality
anxiety?
and ready to confront my
Toy-
inevitable
Toy-
death?
Yung merong
which one?
40?
No, which one was the one where they almost got ripped apart?
Like hold hands sila sa
That's
ano?
Toy Story 3.
3. I guess it's
Anxiety attack ba dun si Woody?
Pero kailangan it is after the Spider-Verse.
Oo.
That's true.
Ay, oo nga, no.
Spider-Verse was like 2019. So this is within the last 7 years, 6-7 years, 6-7.
Color.
So, franchise na
Wacky.
matagal nang wala, tas biglang na revive recently.
And it's
Baka yung Mutant Mayhem.
It's animated.
Baka yung Turtles yung Mutant Mayhem.
No,
Ganun yung style
hindi
ko.
pwede yan kasi we have no idea if that's true. Man, minus 2
What does
na
it
yung
mean?
sunod.
What does it mean when parenthesis studio franchise?
It might mean Pixar.
For the next Pixar?
Like for the next
Pixar
Pixar
franchise?
movie.
Yung comment na sa childhood and current hero.
Oh,
So, ganun nakatagal yung character na yun.
or bata pa siya. Okay, teka. Let's think of animated movies na meron silang release after 2019. Yung Toy Story meron, di ba? Yung 4 after 2019.
Yung si
meron.
Forky.
Si Forky. Oh.
Incredibles.
Try mo yung i-type mo lang Toy Story 4, tapos makikita mo yung year. Or even Toy Story lang. You know, 2019.
Just barely. Pero it has to be colorful, wacky, and
I-type mo yung
creative.
Into the Spider-Verse. Kung anong year siya.
Into ba yung first? Into the 2018 pala. Pero it has to be colorful, wacky, and creative big budget animated movies. I would guess it's a Pixar.
Baka Finding Dory.
Parang it's earlier.
Wala yatang
You know,
nag-childhood hero dun.
2016. Si Nemo.
Okay,
Hero
I'm
si
going to
Nemo.
take away two more points. It's
I don't know.
big
Maybe I'm
budget
just craving a
American
bit of
animation. It's funny how much this title sequel impressed me. Confidently disregards a shiny photorealistic look for conceptual beauty and razor sharp action. Gorgeous front to back. The key comparison here is Spider-Verse, but the charming fairy tale. Okay, this is Puss in Boots.
Oh, nga.
Hindi ko naisip.
Anxiety nga dyan siya.
Tsaka yung kalaban niya dito is literally death.
Hmm.
You're facing your own mortality. I did not watch this kasi.
Okay,
Me
let's
too.
try one more. Medyo mahirap siya.
Pero nakakatawa magbasa ng comments.
Just imagine character being a letterboxd user who writes detailed reviews of movies he's watched and then breaking into a cold sweat after he sees that someone who wrote a one-liner joke review. Oh, this is too vague.
Hello, wait. May ginagawa lang ako.
That could be anyone. Oh, Cry, ikaw to. I relate to character because I too go on long unprovoked rants about my favorite albums at completely inappropriate times.
Bigla na lang nagtatype sa chat ng ano, no? Anong tingin nyo dito sa gantong album? It's so ganyan,
You guys-
ganyan, ganyan.
Tapos
You
yung
guys
ano,
listen to the new
Wala
album.
magre-reply.
tapos
Wala.
I've never heard of what he's talking about. Ganyan.
I agree.
It's
I
it's
have
like a
no
trope
contribution.
na it's like a trope
Ako
na walang
mambag.
nagre-reply sa kanya.
Wait,
Oo.
is he away right now? He's
No,
not.
I'm not.
Sabi niya, nagtatrabaho siya.
Na-hurt siya.
Wait, narinig ko kayo.
Where's the truth?
Okay, is this like high
So
fidelity?
yung bida parang commenter or some sort of writer.
I'm thinking it's high fidelity kasi si John Cusack in that movie, he does that a lot. He talks about albums a lot. Okay.
I relate to kasi to mga bagay also.
This could be anything. Parang
Di,
itong
-2 na yung next.
parang
Wait,
itong worldwide box office IMDb rating, Rotten Tomatoes scores.
Wag,
Letterboxd
we
rating.
don't need that.
Parang none of these are helpful.
Yes, I agree. Wag natin yung bubuksan.
Parang
-2 na yung next.
parang mas helpful if may year.
Kasi ano siguro yung thing dito is about
Yeah.
criticisms. Kaya wag!
Ito na lang kasi ano by strange format yung ano niya. Hop.
Yeah.
Step 1,
Ibig sabihin
manipulate.
maigsi.
Step 2, mansplain. Step 3, manwhore.
Manhood.
Step 4, manslaughter.
Baka Cameron Crowe to. Si Cameron Crowe, medyo
So may papatayin. May
big
patay-patay.
Okay, so there's a character that goes on long unprovoked rants. Let's say he's a hitman. An assassin.
Na nakikipag-sex sa maraming tao.
Saan mo nakuha yung part na yun?
Manwhore.
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 And then in the end, he goes about killing people.
Deuce Bigelow pala.
Okay, let's reveal one more. This one. We're running out of points. No, madami pa.
Medyo mahaba ka sana.
God damn it. Oh, I have to return some videotapes.
this is
Alam ko pa ng
American
video
Psycho. American Psycho.
Damn it, Cry. That's on you.
Oh,
Ay,
he does
oo
kill
nga.
people.
No, there was this one specific scene lang where he talks about the Huey Lewis.
Yung one scene na yun, nag-relate yung user niya.
Ano sabi sa pang-apat? Rates your Spotify Wrapped.
Before killing you.
I-judge ka niya.
I wrote down his skincare routine. Grabe. Okay, I want to do one more. Or you guys want to try something else?
I'm okay with doing one more.
Okay.
A few more.
Like all of them. No offense, but Deadpool who? Okay.
Oh. Nag-exist na si Deadpool. When was Deadpool?
So this is a
2016
superhero
yung first
movie
Deadpool eh.
na
It might be
Ayan, and
something that
Wolverine.
came out around the same time or a bit later. Malamang
So,
a bit later.
kino-compare niya kay Deadpool and it's better.
Oo. Probably with also
Ano,
like
Suicide Squad, ganun.
ensemble kasi yun eh. I imagine that it's something with like some kind of witty na bida. Oh, someone who does
Na
fourth
hindi,
wall breaks.
na hindi si Ryan Reynolds.
This could be anyone. I don't want to guess Suicide Squad.
Reveal again.
Next clue.
Still vulgar, still brash. Oh, it's Deadpool 2.
Kick-Ass?
Deadpool who?
I think it's Deadpool 2.
sure.
Or Ed Wolverine.
Okay. Or what? What did you say?
Or yung
Wolverine.
Deadpool.
Kick-Ass 2.
Oh, Kick-Ass 2.
I think
Una
that was
natin
earlier
Kick-Ass.
than any of the
nga. Oo nga.
Deadpools.
Oo nga, no.
Okay, someone vulgar.
And
Someone,
still.
So,
So,
it's a-
sabihin,
it's-
hindi siya
it's-
first film.
Oo, it's a
Oo.
it's a sequel. Kasi may
Nasu-
still
Na superhero movie din.
na vulgar, brash.
I don't think
Dark.
it's necessarily a superhero. It might be animated. Okay, do you want to do
Na
another one?
vulgar.
Sure.
Sige.
Ito, this one is
Minus
long.
2 na yan.
Oh,
It's minus 3.
With no power comes no responsibility.
Walang power.
Di ba tagline ni Spider Noir yan?
He did say that in the series.
Hindi, parang dun sa mga, nakita ko sa mga ads na pinopromote siya eh. Yan yung tagline niya.
Meron kasing scene na posibleng ma-cure siya. Oh, this is spoilers. Never mind.
Oy.
Okay, this isn't helping. Okay,
Superhero na nawala ng power, man.
what is this? Still vulgar, still brash, still sometimes, still dark, still hilarious, still kicks ass.
Nga yung Deadpool and Wolverine.
Hindi, no power comes no responsibility.
Sino
That
bang
doesn't
nawalan
fit.
ng power?
Diba merong Deadpool na walang power doon? Yung hindi nagre-regenerate.
Hup,
Si ano?
how come Ghost
Yung may
Rider
aso.
isn't immune to fire?
So this is a Nicolas Cage
Reference.
movie. This is a Nicolas Cage movie.
Tingin ko kay Castro nga.
Na,
Diba namatay siya doon, yung si Nicolas Cage?
Sa
Sinunog
one-
siya doon?
Sa 1 ba siya namatay o sa 2?
maalala.
I forget.
Andun ba siya?
Siya si Big
Parang
Daddy.
Batman, di ba?
Ayaw nga.
Pero the problem
Sinunog siya
is,
doon, di ba?
the problem is it comes before Deadpool.
O, tsaka
Eh
part
baka
1 yun.
Deadpool as a concept.
As a concept.
Or
May
baka
comics
ano
naman
yan,
na
baka
yun.
yung review was put like years later.
Oo nga.
That makes sense.
Okay, I guess that's a possibility.
Yes, to go.
San siya namatay? Sa 2 ba o sa 1? Ay,
Sa
ba't
1.
in-enter mo na agad?
Sa 1.
Oh, it was Kick-Ass.
Oh, tama.
Okay.
Sit still.
Oo nga eh.
Dun sa Joe Lynch.
What?
Bakit may
Yung sa-
still,
oo nga,
vulgar,
still eh.
still?
Oo nga.
Why is it still?
Well,
Twice mo ba pinanood? Tapos
Maybe
you
he-
expected it to
Yeah.
change?
maybe he will rewatched it later. Tapos the review came later. Mahirap. Maganda yung mga ganitong ano eh. Mga ganitong review. Eh, ano.
Yung may blank was a blah, 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 and then
Or yung sufficiently long.
Yung Nick Cage.
This one was hard. Parang instead of
Let's go
revealing-
straight for the... Oh, let's go straight
instead
for
of
the
doing
big...
these
ano,
three,
kasi
dapat ito na lang.
Oo nga, kasi plus 2 ka.
pero nakuha natin doon sa Ghost Rider, apoy-apoy.
Hmm.
Kasi naalala ko yun siya nasusunog siya doon.
The horrors of SoundCloud rapper son and filmmaker daughter. SoundCloud rapper son and filmmaker daughter.
Oh, Jaden ba yan?
Pwede.
This one doesn't even have
So,
stars.
so magkapatid?
Wait. No,
So
not
magkapatid?
necessarily. Filmmaker daughter, like anak ni Ron Howard, ganun, or anak
Ah,
anak na babae ni, yun yung mga cast.
And the horrors, meaning this is not a good movie.
Maybe, oo.
So,
Hindi.
Nepo baby movie.
wait,
Hindi,
so it's
feeling
not
ko-
is it about the characters or about
Oo, feeling ko
Feeling
ko
it's
the
about
cast.
characters. Feeling ko it's about the characters.
feeling ko reveal natin
hindi,
itong
feeling ko
minus
yung
2.
cast eh. Ewan
Yeah.
ko.
Ako, I also agree sa cast.
Feeling ko
Yung
reveal natin
mahaba.
itong ito.
Medyo positive yan. 3.5 yung score.
A movie about not giving into anger and how old people are terrifying. I haven't seen this since it came out and dismissed this as one of director's more conventional films that I was lukewarm on. It's not a personal favorite. Tonally eclectic.
Found footage horror.
Oddball found footage horror.
Okay, so
that is
merong
dark.
twist and merong 2 kids.
Oh, found footage. Blair Witch.
Oh, mga ganun na style.
Yung isa pa.
Yun lang yung alam kong found footage na film.
But the director should be prolific enough na...
Wait, Cry. Sino yung director?
Tell me
nung
M. Night.
ano? Isn't there like wasn't there like a David wait.
David Lynch?
Wasn't there a David Lynch na found footage?
I don't think he does found footage.
No, I'm thinking of well, name found footage movies other than
Hindi straight up horror eh. Parang may
End of
funny
Watch,
siya eh.
pero hindi yun horror. Oo nga eh.
This is a good one,
Kids.
pero 3.5 lang.
Found footage
kasi it's not a personal favorite.
na horror.
Tsaka it's a director na medyo prolific kasi marami siyang movie na
And
tapos
then
some of them are more conventional.
Yung Super 8 ba, found footage?
Hindi.
Sino director nun?
Spielberg.
Tsaka the film is about like 2 kids, tapos may old people na maybe
Terrifying.
villains.
Not giving into anger.
Okay, should we do another one? This one.
Sure.
Oh, ang haba niya rin.
How about
A film about the performative nature of family life and the conflict between what kids are expected to be like and what they want to be like. Everyone is playing a role and battles ensue over who is directing who. Several scenes are among my favorites of the year. Whether not all the
Ewan.
humor works.
This is something that I've not heard of siguro.
Feeling ko alam mo to, Cry.
No, I don't think so. Nothing rings a bell. Found footage pa lang.
about the family?
Wait, did Oddball found footage horror that is dark, okay, as often as it is funny or gross. Okay, we have to do one more. When she reminded her brother that he was a B camera operator and not a co-director.
So they're creating a movie inside the movie.
Oo, kaya malamang ito, this is referring to the characters eh.
Story.
So, and malamang yung found footage is whatever they were recording.
Oo.
Tapos, it's about family.
Eh, kasi they're brothers and sister. They're brother and sister.
Baka Peele to. Jordan Peele.
Or conventional, ano?
I add this to my films that made me happy. I'm childless. It happens again. Nag-rap ulit.
Mukhang di natin alam.
Okay.
Oo nga.
This doesn't ring a bell talaga.
I-reveal
Minus
mo na lahat
5.
para ano, we learn something.
Oh, teka lang. This is some kind of Hansel and Gretel.
Forced into the oven. What movie is this?
Found footage horror.
Is it some sort of Hansel and Gretel?
Maybe.
Kasi may brother and
Sayang, there's
sister,
no brother and
tapos
sister.
may being forced
Open.
into the
Oh.
oven.
Mga may
Old
Hansel,
people
wala
being
diba?
terrifying.
Ewan,
This is
I've
a
not
modern
heard,
Hansel and Gretel.
I've not heard
Minus
of this.
5.
Napaka-useless naman ng comment.
Grabe
Tapos
eh.
minus 3 siya. Grabe.
Teka, let's at least... Okay, teka lang.
I-reveal mo na lahat.
Reveal mo na lahat para may
The
The
diaper was just
diaper was
wrong.
just wrong.
What is this?
Okay, so my grandparents... And did they force the grandchild into the
Sila yung
oven?
nagluto into the oven.
Hindi, ano yata eh, parang,
Siguro.
parang it's something about like two siblings na they were sent to travel, to stay with their grandparents. Tapos I think, pagdating nila doon, they were staying, tapos it was not actually their grandparents, something like that. Parang I vaguely recall something like that.
Anong year?
Now, TZ, what movies are you watching?
Walang
No,
year eh.
I might have just seen a clip.
Okay, there's no
Hey,
give
2
up button. So
Minus ka ng box office.
The Visit. Okay, it's not
Heck,
something
what is this?
I've never heard of
Ah,
it.
yeah.
Boo.
Boo.
Rate mo pangit. Just choose yung high rating.
Does it show here? Oh, okay. What was the rating for this one?
Nakalagay.
Wait, I'm going to follow Scene and Nerdle on Letterboxd. Follow. You can also follow me, YouTube watchers. I'm Hungry Roy. I watched Speed Racer. What? Okay. I
To the
want to
4.2.
I want to do all of them. Okay, 4.2.
Go.
My favorite
My
commentary was from Ryan Johnson, who said, "I would love that if the movie existed in the world of blank, the parents would have told blank how much they loved blank." Ah. Um. Huh.
If the movie, tapos yung,
Parents.
if the movie existed in the world of title.
Like
Huh?
the
It's
movie,
parang
if
ano.
the movie itself existed in the world of that movie.
Oh.
Parang Jumanji, ganun.
Magre-react yung parents na ang ganda ng movie na to, ganun.
Oh.
So the film has parents with a child.
Okay,
You might need to reveal
I
more.
think this is ano. I think this is Parasite.
Alam
Grabe.
mo hindi.
Really?
Up.
Oh, -1 lang yan, ang haba.
So attentive,
Visual.
overflowing with little visual motifs, laid within a house, bursting with a raging, wordless pressure that only grows throughout. Uh, uh, Monumental director. Okay, it's a directorial debut. So it's not Parasite. What is
Parang,
this?
parang si Cray magsusulat ng review na to.
I wonder if may lalabas na review ko dito.
Nagre-review ka.
Sure. You would know that if you followed me on Letterboxd. Okay, let's do this -2.
Baka ano yung
May
ano yung
-7.
directorial debut ni Jordan Peele?
Oh, I
Get
don't
Out?
know.
Get Out. Get Out.
So does that fit?
May parents and children. Ganun.
Meron.
Should we just guess it?
Parang they would not love it.
I haven't seen it, so
Sige.
oh, good
Oh,
job.
it
Good
is!
job.
Ooh.
Good
Good
job,
job,
TZ.
TZ!
I want those things. What is this -7? I would have voted for Obama a third term if I could. Okay. Okay. Let's do this 4.1. accidentally became
Accidentally
important at
became
work and it's
important.
ruining my life. Oh, I know how that feels.
Baka hacker movie yan.
No, it's someone
Parang
who like parang he suddenly got promoted and then he got new responsibilities. I kind of want to reveal this very short review.
Hindi ko useless yun. Puro heart
minus
lang.
3, tas ang igse.
Let's at least do this -1.
So, yan.
Oh, okay. Is this like some Devil Wears
Animated
Prada?
ba yan?
Pwede.
The first one?
Hmm.
No.
The second one?
I think it's less likely that it's the second one. Pero
Ano na
sige.
bang role ni Anne Hathaway dun sa second one?
Talk with a Meryl Streep voice.
Okay. Should we reveal one more?
Ang significance
Why
ng Meryl
not?
Streep.
Oo nga eh. Feeling ko may parang
Animated ba yan?
Actor dominates the screen for well over 2 hours just for actor to steal the whole thing with one karaoke number.
With White Chicks?
Ba't na si
Pwede.
Meryl Streep?
Over 2 hours, so mahabang film. Yung Lost in Translation, may karaoke dun, di ba?
meron. Pero parang hindi naman scene stealing yung yung performance dun ni kung sino man yung kumanta.
Feeling ko very helpful itong ano.
Sige na!
Eh,
Hindi, wag.
reveal mo lahat.
Wag lang.
Do it!
Oh, ito. Character is an almost 300-year-old engineer with a thriving marriage, but I still see a baby that I would take a bullet for.
300-year-old
Chrono.
engineer.
Ha?
Yeah, naka-cryo sleep siya. No?
Almost 300-year-old engineer with a thriving marriage. Baka Star Wars to.
Ano
May
ba movie
karaoke.
na merong karaoke number na
Karaoke.
memorable?
Okay. This is Project Hail Mary.
Good job.
Di ba? He accidentally became important at work.
Oo nga.
Hindi ko alam
Papanood yan.
kung ano reference nitong, kasi ano. Oh, right, okay.
Yung rating mo
Meryl
dito.
Streep voice.
Yung rating na maigse, tingnan mo.
Tinan mo yung mixing review.
Movie was...
What the hell? Oh, that
Then-
is a reference to ano, the movie.
Yeah.
Gabi, wala yung review ko dito. Okay.
Nahaba kasi ng review mo eh.
This is
Ilang
true.
paragraph yun.
Tingnan nga natin. I want to see
Kaya
what...
pinaplug mo yan.
Like and subscribe. Project Hail Mary. Grabe, ang haba ng
Haba,
review
oh.
ko. Hindi lalabas yung mga review ko dyan sa ano.
-10 yung review.
Very solid classic legal drama that appears to be a courtroom thriller but actually is a blah 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 blah. This
Few Good Men?
is Runaway
Runaway
Jury. Yun din ang hula ko. Let's go. Runaway. No. A Few Good Men?
Moral ethical puzzle box. Yeah, just go through all the legal
I mean,
courtroom
You can't
dramas.
handle the truth.
That's not really, I don't really think that's, a puzzle, an
Thriller.
ethical puzzle.
Thriller.
Baka Primal Fear.
Or A Time to Kill?
May moral and ethical question at the end there eh. Spoilers.
Primal Fear?
A Time to Kill.
Kay Ed Norton?
No, I don't think may moral and ethical question sa...
Okay. Director is
92.
94 years old. This is the kind of movie most
This
of
is
us want.
Juror number 2 ata.
Eastwood,
That's
Bago lang yun,
Eastwood eh. Clint Eastwood yun. And may moral and ethical question sa dulo. nun.
Yeah.
2024. Okay.
There we go.
Buhay pa ba si Clint Eastwood ngayon?
Oo,
I
pero
think so.
retired na daw siya.
I haven't heard of him dying. Oh.
Sino nga recent na mataas? Si Anthony Stewart.
Grabe, kawawa naman yung worldwide box office ito, 27.3 M.
Hindi ko, mura lang yung budget nito. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-flashy.
Ang locations lang.
Oo.
This is not just a movie, rather a lesson.
Rather alert.
A lesson that shows us how terrible we can be, how terrible we can treat our fellow man, how terrible a person can be when power is involved. A lesson that every school should teach young and old. This is...
Animal Farm.
What
Sabihin
is
mo yung
this?
minus 2,
Animal
baka
Farm.
ikaw yan. It's so
Okay.
mahaba.
Making a movie or any work viral, blah, 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 blah. I think this movie balances this rare... Actors reserved at times vulnerable performance. Immense weight is 3-hour runtime. Oh,
And
Schindler's List.
no.
Director's opus, so best
There is
niya.
no way I understand everything in this movie. However, this movie needs to. This is Oppenheimer.
Opus
Large
yan ni
scale.
Nolan.
Teka lang ah. I think it's Oppenheimer. Cry, what do you think?
We are
Parang
terrible
nandun naman
to
yung
our
first
man.
review.
To our
Pwede,
fellow man.
parang applicable.
Hmm. Uh,
Parang personal eh. How terrible we can treat our fellow man.
This is in large part
Mm.
to actors reserved, at times vulnerable performance.
it has to be some director's opus.
Large scale tragedy.
Minus
What's
6.
a large scale
Grabe naman yan. Just to...
movie na may large scale tragedy?
Paano niya nirarank yung penalty?
Feeling ko may
Most
manual na,
helpful?
may curation siya ng most helpful na ano.
Passion of the Christ pala.
A red coat, that's all it is. It's used to keep warm, a shelter against the
O yun na, Schindler's List na.
Oo nga. Sorry.
Ay!
Good job.
Dapat gines ko na lang. Spielberg.
Just one more person. Yan yung plus 6 dapat eh.
We're out of 4s.
May minus 6 pala.
3.5 pwede na.
Wait, no. Let's do some regular ones para let's do a reversal. Para
Reset.
palette cleanser. Okay, so
T. Hanks.
T. Hanks, Catch Me If You Can, Apollo 13,
Castaway.
Castaway. Asteroid City, nandun din ba siya?
yes.
Oh, okay.
Ano
Uy,
to?
umilaw.
Yun yan.
Where the Wild Things Are, Little Miss Sunshine, The Fable.
Si
May
Karen?
batang bida.
Steve
Ay,
Carell?
hindi. Wala pala
Ay,
siya.
oo nga, Batang Bida.
Wala pala siya dun sa ano.
So,
Si World the Wild Things, si Evangeline Wallace, di ba?
Asteroid City is may Batang
Mean Girls
Bida.
and Game Night has the same actors, tama ba?
Oppenheimer.
Si Rachel McAdams,
Hmm.
pwede. Nasa Oppenheimer ba siya?
Wala ba? Cillian Murphy in 28.
Nasa Spotlight siya. Nasa Spotlight siya. Si Rachel McAdams. Nasaan pa ba siya dyan?
Oh, no.
Ay, wait, Sandheld.
Mean Girls
Napanood ko
Sandheld.
pala to. That's also Rachel McAdams.
Mean Girls, yung isa.
Mean Girls na yung isa. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
This one is
okay.
ano?
Pagpalitin.
This one is the guy.
Pagpalitin.
Cillian Murphy.
Oo nga, the guy.
Oh, yun na.
Little Miss Sunshine yata.
Castaway Retreat,
All
Sense8.
Day, no. Oo nga. So,
Parang
that's
nag-light
Swiss
up.
Army Man. Swiss Army Man yung last.
Mga
Stranded on an
Maroon,
island.
kailangan ng tulong.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 1146. Okay, let's do them in order. Ten, 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 ten. Swing your
Owen Wilson?
arms from side to side. Okay, Owen Wilson was
Owen Wilson.
in.
Tenenbaum, Shanghai Noon, Midnight in Paris.
Where is Midnight?
Jackie Chan rin, ano,
Tuxedo,
The
Rush Hour.
Tuxedo, Rush Hour, Shanghai Noon.
Tayo, patayo.
Pakilala niyo Rush Hour.
Yung Kung Fu Panda kasi nandun siya.
Siya si Monkey. Siya ba si Monkey?
Yes.
So
Starsky.
teaming up with Jackie Chan, so yung isa si Chris Tucker.
Okay, that means Fifth Element. Where's Fifth Element? Those are all
Yan.
the Chris Tucker movies I know. The Tuxedo, ang kasama niya dito si Jennifer Love Hewitt.
O
I
di,
know what you did last summer.
Those are all of her movies that I know.
Move mo na lang yung Tuxedo.
Kung Fu Panda, si Jack Black nasa Minecraft movie, di ba? And Super Mario.
Yes.
And King Kong. Was he in this King Kong?
King Kong, yes.
Yata,
Yes.
Then we just swap these.
Which,
King Kong.
Easy.
King Kong. Shanghai noon.
This is way easier than that other one.
French Connection.
Okay. Statham.
The Meg.
The Meg.
Jaws.
The Meg.
Damig.
Crank.
Hindi mo na
Lucy.
nakita ang damig.
Okay.
Saya kaya
So,
nung
dito
movie.
puro
na yun.
Hindi,
mga-
Shark ata yan eh.
The Meg, Jaws, Deep Blue Sea.
Shallows. Deep Blue Sea, oh.
Okay, The Meg.
LL Cool J
Jaws.
nandun.
Pero andito din si
Tama
The
mo.
Beekeeper eh. Teka lang.
Baka across yung
Ano yung isa pa?
The Shallows.
The
The
Shadows.
Shallows.
Where's The
Shadows.
Shadows?
Upper left.
Top left.
A1.
And then we can put
Okay.
these
In a
ones
film with Shark, so
together.
yung actor.
Blue Sea, si Samuel Jackson nandun.
Hateful
Okay.
Eight.
O, yan.
Jurassic Park, nandun din
Si
siya.
ano to? Si Blair to. The Town. Swap mo yung The Town tsaka All That Jazz.
Blake.
Serena.
Tayo kay ano
Hindi
eh.
siya si
Serena
Blair.
pala.
Clear.
Serena.
Tatum ba yung Snatch?
Yeah, nandun siya.
Hindi ko yan alam eh. Di ba Guy Ritchie yan?
Oo.
SLJ.
Oo
Roy
nga.
Scheider, French Connection. Okay.
Kina-
Roy
in love
Scheider.
din
I
siya.
don't know who that is.
Si yung may boat. Isang bida ng Diyos.
Okay.
IT.
Ay,
It. Sword and the Stone.
Okay.
British.
It's Getting Married.
So
Kill
Kill Bill.
Bill.
Oo.
Kill Bill. Okay.
Kill Bill.
Character Bride. Okay. Spawn. Okay. Is this Character
Terrifier, I
Clown?
guess.
So,
It was Character Clown.
May spy yung isa? Or secret agent?
Okay.
Kingsman,
so Kingsman,
Character Wizard.
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 Okay,
Yeah,
I would
wizard.
guess there's someone in common na meron siya ng lahat ng roles.
Si Skarsgård.
It has to be a
Hindi ko
babae kasi may bride.
Okay.
Kate Blanchett.
Kate Blanchett is in Black Bag.
Yeah.
Lord of the Rings.
Lord of the Rings.
Pero wizard ba siya dun?
Hindi, doesn't have to be.
I guess it doesn't
Ready
have
or
to.
Not. Nasa Ready or Not ba siya? Nasa...
Nasa Kill Bill ba siya? Wala.
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 Okay. Wag na.
Babae. Eh,
Oh, it might not be true. Baka pwedeng may commonality lang.
Sinong nasa Dead Reckoning? Si
Or may isa pang character. Character something.
Si Hayley
si
Atwell.
Ferguson.
Hayley Atwell. So,
Si Tom Cruise. Si Simon
Casino
Pegg.
Royale.
sino yung babae sa It? Anong It pa to? Yan yung problema eh. Which
Yung
It
unang
is
It.
this? So
Yung
yung
una.
sila na lang nandun.
Si
Kristen
Kristen Brook.
Krug?
No. Yung may mas matanda pa.
Yung Blondie.
Yung sa Christopher Reeve.
What the hell? Si
Layo.
Ang pangalan nun?
Okay, I don't remember her name, but she was in Smallville.
Yes. Yung...
Teka, that doesn't help us.
Basta siya yung babae dun sa It.
Sino yung babae sa Casino Royale?
Si Eva
Eva Green.
Green.
Oh.
Eva Green.
Oh, dyan ba siya? Sa anything else?
Wala.
Wala.
The Sword in the Stone is a Disney film.
Doctor Strange.
Meron
Si
bang
ano?
first in the franchise?
First in the franchise. First in the
Ay,
reboot.
7 in the franchise
Chronologically?
yung Mission Impossible tsaka yung Deathly Hallows.
Oo nga.
Ah, really?
Medyo mahirap yung Lord
Wala
of
sa
the Rings.
yellow.
Wala siya orange.
Wala doon sa iba.
The Bride is recent lang to, di ba? Si Hamnet nandyan. And it's supposed to be like related or adjacent to the story of Frankenstein.
Bakit hindi? Pwede namang lalaki, di ba?
May nabuhay ulit.
Resurrect.
Sa
Si
zigzag.
The Bride, di ba?
Oo nga, no?
Meron ba sa Red?
Beatrix, ano yun? Spawn galing sa hell.
That's true. Parang revenge film. So, revenge film, Kill Bill 1.
Bill.
Spawn?
Walang revenge film dito.
ba yun?
Yung sa Red.
Dead Rock Reckoning ba? Ano ba namatay previously, tapos bumalik?
I still haven't watched Final Reckoning. Wala.
Ako din, hindi ko para panood yun kasi hindi pa available.
No,
Sa
it's on,
streaming.
it's on HBO Max.
Wala ako nun.
It has been for a while.
Okay.
Yun yung pinakasulit for me. HBO.
Marami siyang, it has a lot of good things.
Mas
Baka merong nasa
ika-cancel
kanal.
ko pa yung Netflix kasi sa HBO.
Also, I'm not paying for it. My brother for sharing an account. So, it's the best. Okay. Baka, I know, it's Richard Gere.
Ito sa Red.
No, I'm kidding. Yung Black
Random
Bag, ang
swaps.
nandito si Kate Blanchett tsaka si, what's his name? Si Magneto.
Magneto. Fassbender.
Fassbender.
Ito
Fastball.
si James
Si
Bond.
Magneto.
What's his name?
Brosnan.
No. The new,
Si
the
ano?
Baka X-Men. So,
Craig.
si Fastball,
si Daniel Craig. Sino pa yung ibang X-Men mo?
Si Professor X. Pangalan.
Oh, we're just going to die.
Wala.
Dead.
Die.
Solution.
First of a two-part film
Sabi sa'yo, first in a
narrative.
franchise eh.
Hindi siya franchise. Two-part story
I guess in a
siya.
series.
2 parts.
Part 1, part 2.
Hindi ko
Yung
naisip.
meron palang Dead
It 2.
Reckoning 2.
Yung Final Reckoning
Ay, yung
nga,
Final Reckoning. Yun yung title.
Yun yung final.
they split
Part
it into
yung
2
Fellowship
films.
of the Ring?
Mga split.
3 parts yung Fellowship, yung Lord of the Rings.
ROTK.
Yung category nilagay. First of a two-part.
Hindi kasama yung Fellowship.
Hindi siya kasali.
Sevenin.
Sa 7N.
Sevenin.
Sa 7N.
Okay, is it
number.
Brad
Party
Pitt, Brad
Supreme and Complete Unknown and yun lang. Brad
Good one.
Pitt is in F1.
F1,
Mhm.
Moneyball,
Moneyball.
C7N.
Si Sevenin, okay. Megamind?
Yeah, si
Yes.
Music Man.
No.
Music Man!
Metro Man na naging Music Man.
Oh, this is true. Gusto niya mag-gitara na lang.
Downey. Sherlock Holmes, Iron Man.
Tsaka
Iron Man.
Doolittle.
Doolittle.
Ano pa? Due date, siya din yun.
Due date. Where is
Doolittle
that?
2020, siya din yun.
Okay.
O si ano, McConaughey ba yun?
Interstellar had si what's his face? Si Baby Atreides.
Si ano,
Si Timothy Chalamet. He has a name.
Chalamet.
Si Baby
Timothée.
Atreides.
Atreides Jr.
Hindi kasi siya
Hindi,
si
hindi
Daddy.
na.
Hindi siya si Daddy Atreides. Kasi
Hindi
namatay
pa
si
tapos.
Daddy
Oo nga,
Atreides.
Hindi pa tapos.
Na hindi
Ay,
pwedeng-
hindi pa pala tapos. Sorry.
Si Lisan Al-Gaib.
Lisan Al-Gaibes. Okay.
Muad'Dib naman.
The
Um,
Muddy.
mm,
Wala na. Diyan ba si...
Sino yung kasama ni Brad Pitt sa F1?
Si
Who's the other guy?
Carrie si Vicky Cristina Barcelona guy. Pangalan nito?
Bardem?
Bardem, yes.
Okay. That didn't help. But thanks for
And
the
also
effort.
a newcomer black guy. Di ko maalala yung pangalan niya.
Okay, this is hard. I haven't seen a lot of these. I've only seen Interstellar, Sherlock, and Iron Man 3. And Tenenbaums. And Legally Blonde. And
Moneyball
Megamind.
and Marty Supreme are both related to sports. Yung others ba mayroong sports?
And 7. Ano ba yung Marty Supreme? Tungkol siya sa what?
Ping
But
pong.
table tennis.
I
This
see.
guy who was famous for being a table tennis star.
Baka itong Bottle Rocket. That didn't work.
Wala sa red.
Iron Man. Bakit Iron Man 3 specifically? So maybe it's what's in Iron Man 3?
Directed by Shane Black?
Yung kalaban, yung nagda-drugs.
That's
Extremis.
Guy Ritchie. Si Guy Ritchie ba yun?
Hindi ko kilala eh.
Si Memento. Guy Pearce.
Guy
Guy
Pearce,
Pearce?
sorry. Guy Ritchie is the director.
Guy Pearce, Iron Man 3.
Si Memento, di ba?
Yes, yes. Okay. Wait. What about Gwyneth Paltrow? She was in Seven.
Oo nga.
And
And
Iron
also
Man
Royal
3.
Tenenbaums. Oh, also Royal Tenenbaums.
Tsaka Iron Man.
And
Yun.
Marty Supreme.
Galing.
In a relationship with Gwyneth.
We got
They
it.
They were all. Good job.
So red herring na Iron Man 3.
Hindi pa sila in a relationship
Hindi,
nung 1
kasama
and 2.
siya eh.
Kala nyo, ha? Okay, so match point, challengers.
Ayan yung mga
Happy
sports.
Gilmore. Tin
King
Cup.
Richard.
Ay, wait.
Titans.
More
These
than
are all sports.
More than 4. Oo nga eh.
These are all
Tennis.
sports.
Okay, tennis. Match
Boxing
point.
Let's just group
Battle
them
of
by
the Sexes.
sports.
Battle of the Sexes.
Is that tennis?
Tennis yun. Oo.
Yes.
And then golf is Happy Gilmore, Tin Cup,
Boxing.
Bagger Vans,
Caddyshack.
Caddyshack.
Golf.
Golf. Oo.
Then
Boxing,
Football
Raging
and
Bull,
Ali, Rocky.
Football.
Rocky Ali. Okay.
then Adam Sandler.
Will Smith.
Pwede din Will Smith.
Will Smith pwede. Legend of
Siya si Bagger
Bagger
Vance,
Vance. Nandun
diba?
siya. Oh, tsaka si Ali din.
Okay.
Ali.
Tapos siya si The Waterboy.
No, not Rudy.
I was guessing.
Rudy si Sean Astin yan.
Okay.
Uy, si Bill Murray.
Na day. Time loop.
Ulit. Oh.
time loop. Um,
Groundhog Day.
so timey-wimey things. Everything,
Maybe.
everywhere, all at once. Tapos,
I'll just do things while you guys are talking.
Freaky Friday.
Really?
Jamie Lee Curtis, Freaky Friday.
This one is
So
Tom
what's that?
Cruise.
Tom Cruise?
Hanap ko parang
Eyes Wide
Ice
Shut.
Wide Shot.
Okay, we have
Then
Zombieland and Ghostbusters and Life Aquatic.
Bill Murray.
there's Bill
Ah.
Murray.
And Michael Keaton, yes.
Keaton.
Okay. And
Baka ano naman
okay,
yan,
ito yung
something.
merong ones where they're ghosts.
So
Halloween?
Kay Tom Cruise meron?
Kay Tom Cruise wala. He's
Okay.
never been a ghost. Ones where they're dead.
where they're dead.
I don't know if
Inedible.
ones where
Oh,
they're
ito
dead.
yan.
Only born on the 4th of July.
Feeling ko ano,
What?
Eyes Wide Shut. Feeling ko Top Gun Maverick.
Top Gun?
Reprising their roles in Legacy
Correct.
sequels.
Legacy
Right.
sequels.
Where
Okay.
ones where they're dead. Hindi pala patay si
Kaya
Bill.
2018.
Hindi pala si Bill Murray yung patay sa Ghostbusters
Oo
Afterlife. Si Harold Ramis pala.
Al Ravis yun.
Ay, okay.
Egan?
Yes. He was already dead when the movie came out.
I see.
Okay, we'll put these together just because. And this one.
Uy, siya yung green.
Mga lugar, Barcelona, Bangkok, Shanghai, Tokyo.
Budapest.
Belfast.
Budapest. Ay,
Shanghai.
ay. Barcelona. Madami.
Oo nga eh.
Okay, this one
Miss,
is
Mrs., Mr.
Doctor.
So Doctor. Yeah.
Titles. So.
Title.
Honorific.
Honorifics.
How
about Sun and Moon
and
and
asteroid.
Asteroid
Star.
and Star?
And Star.
Okay. Saan yung sun ito? Then
Oh,
I just
diba?
swap these and
Rachel
swap
Buddy.
these.
Good job.
European cities and
Oh,
Asian
European
cities.
and Asian.
Medyo mas malalim ng onti yung
Bangkok,
geography niya.
Darjeeling, Tokyo
It's
siya.
good.
Oh, Darjeeling is a city.
Kulit.
Never ng ano niya. Gimmick.
Okay.
Gusto ko itong reverse kesa dun sa kahapon. Yung regular.
Oh, Project Hail Mary.
Mhm.
Heat, 1995. My Grandfather. Coppola. Apocalypse Now. Godfather. Dracula.
Megalopolis.
Yeah,
Siya ba ito, Dracula?
Pula yun, Dracula.
I think so. Yeah. And
Director.
Sino director ng Few Good Men?
Puro director na naman yan.
Sorkin lang alam ko na screenwriter lang. Ay, hindi. Reiner ata yan eh. Reiner yan, di ba?
Oh, Rob Reiner, di ba? He also did Spinal Tap. Tsaka Princess Bride.
And so Princess Bride. Yeah. So what's the last one?
It would be something around 80s, 90s. Misery. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Good job.
Then we can put together
Comedy.
we can put together the funny ones. Michael Mann,
Yung orange.
Phil Lord and
Sino
Chris
sila?
Miller. Sila yung Spider-Verse people.
Ano ba yan? Mga directorial debut?
Oh, kung debut, I don't debut yung bang Godfather? I don't think so. Ay, pwede. Sige,
Or
try natin.
kung saan sila nanalo?
That one. Try natin yung, I think, Princess Bride, yung pinakaluma dyan sa mga Rob Reiner na yan.
None of these work. Mas maganda
Or
yung
maybe what
award-winning.
actor?
Ito. We got
Oh,
it.
Yun na.
Eddie Ferrari.
Bakit?
I think that was... Oh,
Pwede nyo i-brute force.
yeah.
Bakit Thief? Cry, bilis.
I have no idea.
James
James
Caan!
Caan. Okay.
Is he still alive? I don't think he's alive anymore.
Patay na ata. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung thief na yun.
So, James cannot.
S7.
Can no more.
Okay. So, PTA,
Sa 7 na ulit.
Magnolia, Licorice Pizza, Boogie Nights.
Morgan Freeman.
And is it Hard 8 ba?
Sa kanya ba yan?
Parang yan yung pinakauna niya.
Okay. Which one is Morgan Freeman?
Oh, 6, 7, 8,
Driving Miss Daisy.
9. District 9 yung upper corner.
Okay.
Oh, 6, 7, 8.
6, 7.
Makawala. Hindi na modern.
7.
Si Morgan Freeman.
Ano yan? Yung title, mga time in the day? Morning, afternoon, night?
Twilight.
Oh,
Twilight.
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 Afternoon. Morning. Morning, twilight.
Galing.
Food.
Food
It
and
was
Food,
not-
flower.
Daisy.
It was not
Flower.
SLJ.
Dahlia. Marigold.
I actually couldn't see any SLJ other than Driving Miss Daisy, so I didn't know what you were talking about.
Morgan Freeman nga.
SLJ.
Morgan Freeman,
Morgan
sorry.
Freeman.
My racism came through. Okay, Natalie Portman.
So V.
Thor.
Are we being recorded?
Leon.
We're being recorded. Kasi my racism is coming through.
Thor.
The Force Awakens? No.
No. That's a different princess. What?
Oo nga.
May, Roman numeral sa title.
So XV 7.
Edward Norton.
Edward Norton, Primal Fear, American History X,
Fight
Birdman,
Club.
Primal Fear lang.
and Fight Club.
American History.
Andito ba siya sa Birdman?
Siya yung kalaban or rival ni... What's his name?
Okay. Christian Bale. He was in
Big Short.
Vice.
Empire of the Sun. Yeah.
Lupita.
Okay.
Quiet Place Day 1 is the latest one, di ba?
The prequel.
Yeah. Wait, sino siya doon sa Was he like the Muppet on that forest planet? She's not a Muppet.
Siya may-ari nung kantina or something. Yung parang restaurant.
She has goggles. Do you know who I'm talking about?
Yun.
The Big Short, The Prestige.
Hindi pa tapos.
Meron pa. Hindi pa
I'm
tapos.
sorry. Okay.
Mga bagay hindi pinag-uusapan.
Magic.
Aliens.
May twist. May imaginary person.
Award winner, ganun.
Award winning?
Based
Meron ba?
on some real people.
Vice.
Tungkol saan yung American History X?
Si
Malcolm X ba yan?
Birdman nanalo. 12 Years a Slave nanalo. Big Short nanalo din ba? Maybe not.
Parang.
Baka The Prestige. Hindi ba nanalo yun?
Hindi.
I don't
Ng
think so.
something.
Leon the Professional award winning din yan.
Hindi.
Parang hindi.
Pag binabasa ba ng Amerikano yan? Leon. Leon.
How about as
Leon.
prisoner?
So I don't know.
Pag Amerikano, Leon.
Empire of the Sun, prisoner siya doon. So Primal Fear, prisoner, I guess.
Malamang kung slave ka, prisoner ka, di ba?
Oh.
O tapos, sa Vendetta,
Convict lang
may
dun sa
prisoner
Primal
din.
Fear?
Ewan.
Kinalbo ba siya?
Kalbo.
Sa Vendetta, kinalbo siya.
Oo.
Hop, 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 hop. I don't know. Gary Oldman.
Baka alter ego.
Alter Ego, edi Prestige, Fight Club,
Hmm.
Us?
Three swaps left. We're going to die.
Baka may
Die.
demigod sa kanila.
Ah.
Hmm.
Okay, if I make one more swap and I don't hit anything, we're dead, right? Basically.
Sure.
I'll do it.
Turncoat.
Baka Steve Carell, The Big Short. And
In their feature debut.
oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I've never seen this, Empire of the Sun.
Bata pa dyan ni Christian Bale.
I
Child
heard it,
actor.
I heard it was his feature debut.
Daniel Craig. Daniel Craig.
Daniel Craig.
What about
Knives
him?
Out.
Golden Compass,
Knives
Knives Out, Skyfall. Saan pa?
Mm.
What?
Tapos kasama nung si Hailey, whatever his name is. Yung Osmond.
Ito
Sino?
siya.
Haley Joel.
Hindi, yung Tusk kanina, di ba yung nakailaw?
Adventures
Medyo
of Tintin.
Nandun siya?
Paul Dano ito. Ali Aster. Okay.
Tony Collette. Hereditary.
Little
And
Miss
Sixth
Sunshine.
Sense.
Nandun na to
Sixth
sa
Sense.
Little Miss Sunshine.
Sixth Sense din. Yeah. And Knives Out. Nandun din siya, di ba?
I don't know who Tony Collette is. So I
Oo,
don't
oo,
know.
nandun siya. Siya yung ano,
Yung
Dysfunctional
dysfunctional
family.
family.
yung isang asawa.
I swear I've looked
Yan.
her up a few times already and I never forget. I never remember what she looks like. In a dysfunctional family. Okay.
Requirement yung dysfunction.
Good luck, have fun, don't die.
I saw this on Prime Video. I kind of want to
Oh,
watch
Sandra
it.
Bullock.
Pero I suspect it's
Gravity.
terrible. Bird
Gravity.
Box.
Speed.
Bird Box.
Miss Congeniality.
Green Mile? Ay, hindi pala siya. Iba pala yun.
Jason Bourne, The Martian, Oppenheimer,
Oppenheimer.
Rounders. Was he in
Matt Damon.
Rounders?
Rounders.
Okay.
Project Hail Mary. Moon. Si
Si
Gosling.
Gosling na to eh. Lars and the Real Girl siya din yun.
Yung
di ba?
Drive.
Blue Valentine.
Sam Rockwell. Okay. In their feature film debut.
Speed.
Or In Space.
In Space. The
Hail
Martian
Mary,
Gravity.
Gravity.
Project Hail Mary.
And Moon?
Probably Moon. Yep.
Alone.
Okay. Hindi siya alone sa Project Hail Mary.
Reklamo mo dali.
Lagay mo sa review mo ulit. Hindi siya alone.
Idina Menzel.
Yan. Leslie Nielsen.
Airplane,
Yes.
Naked Gun. Mr. Magoo ba siya? Hindi.
Siya din si
Mr.
Mr.
Magoo.
Magoo.
Yeah.
F9 na John Cena ba yan?
Wrongfully accused.
John
Tsaka
Cena,
Suicide
Wrongfully
nasa
accused, yeah.
Nikki Statniki din siya eh. So, sino yung wrongfully accused?
Leslie
Yeah,
Nielsen.
Leslie Nielsen.
Okay, so this one is singing, musicals.
Chicago.
Idina Menzel.
Chicago.
Chicago.
Mga
Uy,
What?
it's the thing.
Idina nga, Idina.
Hindi na sa...
Hindi,
Nasa pa ba
hindi
siya?
na alam. Okay.
Uncut Gems, nandun ba siya?
Hanapin muna natin si John Cena.
But you can see him.
Oo
So
nga.
sad. So ano na, natry
Ano
ko
ba
na
siya?
natry ko na dito Hairspray tsaka Chicago. Feeling ko si John Cena nasa Bringing Down the House. Okay. John Cena isn't in Hairspray or Chicago. This doesn't work.
Sino pa bang nasa Ricky's Taniki?
Rotate mo lang.
Is it Idris? Hindi si Idris
Trainwreck,
Elba.
Uncut Gems, and Hustle.
May
May mga
basketball player.
players siya, di ba? Oh.
So I suspect merong may
Mm.
dito sa ano, who was the
Airplane.
basketball player
Si
dito sa
Jabbar.
airplane?
Si
Si Jabbar.
Jabbar.
Oo nga.
Alright. Oh no, ano tong ano? Ah, ito. Dito yan.
Frozen.
Baba mo si Frozen dun sa Uncut Gems.
Okay na.
I mean,
Pwede
Palitin
sa
mo yung green.
four na yun.
Pwede mo na iswap si Hustle tsaka si Trainwreck.
Wait. Okay, itong dalawa yung mali. We did it,
Queen
guys.
Ten, ten, and ten.
Thanks to sports. Parang ano no, madali i-binge ito. Ano to? We can just keep going.
Yes.
Um,
I swear, isa na lang.
Crimes of the Future tsaka The Fly, Cronenberg ito eh.
Hmm.
But I don't know what else. Jurassic
High
Park
Life.
tsaka Independence Day.
High Life tsaka A Dangerous Method.
Oh, it didn't work. Okay. Mali yung High Life.
Oh, it's not high. Cosmopolis. So maybe this is si
Okay,
Twilight.
let's assume The Fly is si Goldblum.
So Independence Day, The Fly.
Wicked. Nandun siya sa Wicked.
Okay,
Lighthouse.
tapos
Ibaba mo yung Lighthouse.
saan? Dito?
Si Twilight yan.
Atin.
Swap these. And swap these. Kaya ako
Twisted
naguguluhan sa'yo,
Story.
Cry, kasi alam ko nandito din si Other Twilight. Kaya parang,
Oo
which
nga.
one is he talking about?
Sorry. The other Twilight. Si Twilight 2.
Boy.
Si Boy
Si
Twilight,
Twilight
and Girl
Boy and
Twilight.
Girl.
Andiyan siya ulit.
Si
the
Twilight
Batman.
ulit.
Which
Le
one?
Batman.
Si Boy.
Dito lang
Le
siya sa Batman.
Batman.
Saan pa siya iba?
Wala na.
Baka wala.
Kainis.
Mississippi Burning is si Gene Hackman.
Si The Lobster tsaka In Bruges. Colin Farrell? Nasa Batman din siya?
Yes.
Oo nga.
Is the Penguin.
Nasa
Ito si
Minority
Fargo
Report
tsaka
din
si
siya.
Three Billboards pareho silang si di ba?
Si yung babae.
Si what's her face? Si
Si
Fargo.
Frances
McDormand.
McDormand.
Francis.
Yung Minority Report Farrell din yan eh.
Right. He was there.
Oh,
Oy,
what's up?
this is
Helena.
So
Helena Bonham
We
Carter.
The
see
Order of the Phoenix.
Harry Potter.
or
Harry Potter.
okay.
Okay.
Gene
We'll put this
Hackman ba
here.
yun?
I think
Or
nasa Hail Caesar din siya. Mississippi Burning. Okay, hindi pa tapos.
Mississippi Burning. Okay.
Sa Birdman si Ed Norton.
Siya nga yung kalaban.
Yes.
We discussed this like 3 puzzles ago.
Titles
ba?
na may
I
places.
missed it.
Hindi,
Okay.
marami palang places yung orange.
Okay.
What if where they played the villain?
So that's the Batman.
I don't know the rest.
Harry
Sa
Potter.
Glass Onion. Sa Glass Onion
Glass
kalaban si
Onion.
Orton.
Oh, let's
Norton.
put this together. That
Op.
didn't work.
Hindi pwede. Kasi Harry Potter yung isa. Yung
What
kalaban.
about where they played royalty.
So,
Wala.
Yung si King's Speech lang yun. Saan pa may ibang
Sa
royalty?
Caesar. Sa Caesar ba? May royalty doon.
no, that's about
Diba?
filmmaking, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Musicals? No.
Nanalo ba The
Hmm,
Lobster? Hindi, ano?
Hindi ko alam.
Kasi
I think
Birdman
so.
tsaka Three Billboards tsaka King's Speech,
They
they
was.
all won Best Picture. Okay.
In Bruges. Ay, hindi, nakapila na.
They're already there. How about
Secret Identity.
The Batman.
Grabe to, kasi to Glass
Birdman.
Onion tsaka Grand Budapest, ang daming tao dito eh. Tsaka Harry Potter.
Hmm.
How about I'm getting sleepy. Also, I still have to
Order of the...
walk.
Huwag ka na mag-walk. Muulan.
Is it still?
I
I
don't know.
think so.
My window is dark. Okay.
Hmm.
Meron ba mga adaptations dito from a book?
Meron, Harry Potter. How
Famous yan,
about merong TV series?
Fargo.
Fargo tsaka Harry Potter tsaka Batman. Okay, how about
How about... No.
Director. No.
ay si ano, si Roma.
Quaron?
Si Cuarón yung Birdman, di ba? Didn't he do a Harry Potter? Which Harry Potter did he do? Azkaban.
Hindi yan.
Si ano yun? Cuaron.
We don't know, so I'll just do random things. Aha!
Oy.
Uy, umilaw.
Pwede mo i-brute force.
Yes. Ray
Fiennes.
Fiennes.
Okay.
To be fair, I didn't know he was in two of those, so tama na? You guys want to keep going? Who votes to keep
Tama
going?
na. Tama
Keep
na, ayoko
going.
na. Ngayon.
Me.
How about we do... Ano yung ginagawa
Yung
natin
mahirap
kanina?
daw,
normal.
yung mahirap daw.
Wait, let's try this burgle. We haven't tried it. We don't know what it is.
Burgle.
The Daily Burgle app.
Na-redirect ka lang, oh.
It's a different domain. I don't like. I'll just do this one again.
Di pa tapos yung spelling bee.
Okay, we'll finish the spelling bee. We'll do hints. Oh, bilis. Last chance to answer
na lang
before
ba?
we hints.
Hindi ko na alam.
Probably 2 or 3 words. There's like 15 points remaining.
Oh.
Layem. Meteorology. Okay. 2 and 1. There's a Y. Okay, there's L. Which was the 2? The 2 was L. Okay, Leggy and Loge. 6 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
May letter T.
Yes. 5 and 8. 5. Okay, kulang ng letter T. Hindi lang isa yung
T9?
kulang. Dalawa pa yung kulang. Okay. It's a T na 9. Ay!
Nine.
Oh no, I closed it. Why did I close it? Okay, it's a T na 9. It's totemology. That doesn't fit.
T-E yata?
All right.
Teleology.
Teleology, that's right. It's the study of.
Endings.
Order.
Well, let's see who's correct.
Future.
Teleology. Study of far.
Spelling.
What? Teleology. Teleogony. Ultimate purpose or design as a means of explaining phenomena. Okay, neither of you were correct. Well, Cry was kind of correct kasi meron ditong development toward an end as in history. So purpose, okay. So we're missing one more. It's a 5 and it's an M.
Meteorology.
5 guy.
Melee. Wala.
5.
Uh-huh.
Anong second letter?
It's an MO. Mogul.
Mm,
Multi.
Kailangan
Mot.
E.
Say why?
Mot. No, that's a real word.
Kailangan nga ng E.
Holy moly.
Mom.
Mommy. Mom. Moyet.
Molet.
Moti.
Moleo.
Meron na to eh. Moleo?
Mol.
Molgi. Molem. Momet. What is this? Am I just brute forcing it? Oh, is there
Moat
something
with
like
Y.
Moet? Okay, it's a 5.
Bogey.
Alam niyo na si good friend.
Motet.
Motet. Di ba autista yan sa Pilipinas? Okay, what is this one?
Minoron.
Oh, is it a music thing? Okay, a music
Sa
thing.
music.
Sacred text?
Sorry, ilalag ko lang itong Motet. Motet.
It's like an anthem, it says there, similar.
This is my motet. Okay. Now that we have succeeded in killing the spelling bee. Oh no.
Killed it.
How do I view the
Exposition.
archive? Okay, fine. We'll try this 3.6. Man, that must be a really awkward morning after, huh? These are terrible ratings. I'll just
Yeah,
go
no.
straight to this -3. Things like this are supposed to happen in our neighborhood. Press it. Stop overrating. This is a movie about how apathy allows the most horrible things imaginable to happen all around us. Blah blah blah. Seating indictment of the rich is timely diagnosis of Trumpism 3 years before it existed. That makes it 2013 or so. Hmm. What is this?
Baka Jordan Peele na naman yan.
No, 2016, 2013.
Wait, sorry, di ko pa nakikita yung last paragraph. The teens are annoying.
The film has lots of problems. The teens are annoying, and there is nothing exceptional about how the film is made. But overall, I find title's watchability and charming goofiness to outweigh those concerns, and generally speaking, really enjoy the movie. Grabe, ang haba na naman ng stream natin today. You want to do a -2? Ito,
Bili mo
1.5.
lahat.
Why not? Why not?
Small,
Babad.
cheap, ridiculous. Bemused by the school uniform motif. Was much more interested in the rest of the country than what was happening on this block. Tolerably senseless, fatally dull. Okay, I think the important
This
here is
block?
my school uniform motif. This could be anything. I'll reveal this other
There's a
one.
school shooting ba?
Battle Royale ba yan?
This never would have happened if they had a panic room or if they just went overseas. Rich people. Effing rich people. I'm censoring myself. Okay, if they had a panic room or if they just went overseas. Is it something like some teenagers broke into a house?
School shooting. Hindi kaya? Columbine ba?
No,
But
kasi
it's
ano eh,
indictment of the rich.
indictment of the rich.
Ah.
So ano, my class divide. I'll
Parasite.
do this one. One half star. Parang we'll never get this.
Don't breathe ba yan? Para wala naman school uniform dun eh. The Purge.
Grabe, how many points do we have remaining? 9? Sige.
Or maraming The Purge eh.
Murder is totally not my vibe. Parang mahirap ito. Okay, we have to start. We have 5 guesses.
Election year, I guess.
Oy,
kasi
tama.
Sabi
The
sa inyo,
Purge nga.
2013 eh. Mahirap. Parang mahirap yung ginagawa niyang ganitong puzzle. Kasi parang kailangan maganda pa yung piliin yung ano
Dapat may weight yung pag-curate niyan.
Oh,
Ang random pulls lang ba eh, di ba?
no, I think kinukurate niya kaya siya may ratings. Kasi iba-iba pa eh. Hindi lahat may -7 eh. So parang nire-rate pa niya how helpful each clue is. A beautiful love letter to music youth and finding where you truly belong in this world. This is Begin Again. No, I don't know.
Sige.
Parang
A Star is
Or
Born.
Sing Street. There are a bunch of kids in Sing Street.
okay.
baka ano yan? Ano yung movie ni Jack Black na nagtutour siya ng mga bata sa band?
Hanging
Rock?
out.
School of Rock.
Bakit hanging out yung kinanta ko? Okay. Hot.
Wait, why did
Might
I
be
wait
the best
so
film
long?
about music that I've seen.
Pitch Perfect.
Pwede.
May tiny dancer scene ba dun?
I don't
That
know.
is Almost Famous then. Almost Famous.
Galing ah.
I've never seen this movie.
Cameron Crowe.
Naubusan na ako ng mga mataas ang rating.
Hate is baggage.
Hate is baggage. Star Wars ba to? Star Wars? No.
Hate is baggage.
Dahil ba kay Kylo Ren?
Grabe,
-7,
-7.
go!
Ayoko, one
Or
half
one
star.
half lang.
Wag.
Sige. Okay, there's a Nazi protagonist.
Non-shit film.
Black and white to color. A black man in prison softening a Nazi's heart by telling him a joke. And a life is too short to hate people monologue at the end for the love of God. O, Cry, ikaw to.
Teka lang, binabasa ka pa.
Ikaw to kasi
Yes,
may
yes.
Nazi protagonist.
Taking it as a given.
Baka Black Klansman.
Completely agree with everything. Then, when depicting white supremacy in action, is
May basketball game.
maybe this is American History X.
Good job!
Wow.
Good job!
Sulit yung
Okay,
-7. Grabe yung one half star.
Awesome basketball scene. Yeah.
Maybe one day I'll experience an exemplary vegetable. It sounds like we should be. It sounds like we should be able to get it from that.
Baka Ratatouille.
I feel
Diba,
like
yung-
there has to be specifically a line mentioning an exemplary vegetable. Meron ba sa Ratatouille? These ratings are very
Walang
good.
ma-recall.
Maybe when Harry met Sally. As in yung yung I'll have what she's having.
Hindi naman
in
yun ano
reference to
eh.
that.
Di ba pecan pie yun or
Uh,
something?
Hindi. It was, ay, oo nga. Yeah, it was a
Okay,
pie.
let's do this one. Hi, and those are the words of a gentleman. From the first moment I met you, your arrogance and conceit, your selfish disdain of the feeling that you were the last man in the world I could ever meet,
Ayan,
your very
yeah.
devout
When
friend.
Harry Met Sally.
Totoo?
It, oh,
Wrong.
hmm. Well, something like when Harry
Di ba
Met
parang ano
Sally.
yan? The line sounds like
Ito
Pride and
kasi could
Prejudice.
ever be prevailed upon to marry. Parang ganung era na ano eh.
Parang Pride and Prejudice yung line na yan eh. About
Pe-
kay...
pero, meron ba dong exemplary
Which one?
vegetable? Also, there's like 20 of them.
Oh, which one?
Ang dami version.
I got it!
Good
Good
job,
job.
TD.
Wala pang good job sa akin kasi I
Good
chose the
job for
right Pride and
selecting the correct
Prejudice.
version.
Grabe eh. May exemplary
Vegetable.
vegetable.
Pati yan,
Da-
ano yan? The hand flex. What? The hand flex, the hand flex. What are you talking about? Funny how this is the height of the Rowan
The
genre.
steamiest thing in the movie is those excellent boiled potatoes.
Excellent boiled potato. Yun
Baka yun yung exemplary
vegetable.
vegetable. Try so hard to be super bad, but it actually ended up being super bad.
Pineapple
Yeah,
Express.
Black Adam.
No,
Oh.
I mean not Black Adam.
It's hard
About-
to be super bad. So, parang
Maong
teens.
bata.
Oh.
In MTV Millennial Fantasy.
Tsaka it's after Superbad, which was in 2007.
Na Baby Driver, ganun.
No, it has to be like, ano, it's not that kind of movie.
Yung parang ano,
Is this
James
project?
Franco type thing.
parang Eurotrip.
Anong isasagot mo dapat, Cry?
Pwede bang American
Yung
Pie?
No,
Hindi
2007
pa
yung
yun.
Superbad.
Mas nauna pa yun sa Superbad eh.
Pero again, yung problem kasi is, ano eh, not necessarily, pwedeng late yung review eh. Anyway, let's just do this -6. We did a
Sige.
-7 earlier.
Party.
So yung project ano nga yun? Basta yung
So it's
parang
one of
they
those
invited,
films when they're put together a party.
Project something, Project X ba yun? Try mo nga, Project X nga. I
Dami
think
ko
it's
rin din.
2012. Yung 2012.
Wow!
Wow.
You're correct.
I've never heard of this.
Sino bida dyan?
No one.
How did you find this, Brad?
Did you watch this on a bus?
I know. Hindi ko pa napanood ata.
Visually radical, technically
Tinorin ko.
dazzling, tonally schizophrenic, and closer to those infamous blank sequels than you'd care to admit.
It's a
Can't
sequel.
imagine something like this getting released today, much less being a keystone piece of intellectual property.
Visually radical, technically dazzling, tonally schizophrenic, and closer to those infamous sequels that you'd probably care to admit. Can't imagine something like this getting released today, much less being a keystone.
Ano yung pinanood
May
natin?
mahabang
Liz?
review na piso lang.
Si Baby Doll.
Minsan kasi kahit
Sucker
mahaba
Punch?
wala masyadong...
Sucker Punch.
Ito. Merong
Still holds up.
butt-wiggling triumph dance.
Charlie's Angels?
Ito, a woman who charges into war zones as a hard-hitting photojournalist. She
But
also has
squeezed them.
a floofy princess bed set and keeps a big teddy bear in her bed and needs rescuing every 5 minutes. And she's emotionally invested in her and character boning more, which is kinda creepy. Photojournalist. Photojournalist ba siya doon sa Civil War?
Oo. Si Kirsten Dunst.
Oh. Okay.
Tonally schizophrenic. So, parang billion viewing of when goons shoot.
Is this some superhero movie? Kasi there's someone in a mask.
Oo nga eh.
But there's someone in a mask and there's a woman who's a hard-hitting photojournalist. There's a disguised man in a mask.
Keystone piece of intellectual property. So this is
Oh
Ano,
no,
different.
this is
What?
what was the Joel Schumacher Batman?
Batman and Robin? Okay. Yeah, pwede.
Oh no.
Oh.
Oh, it might be the one with Vicky Vale kung may photojournalist.
Forever.
No. Vicky Vale was the first one,
Hindi siya.
1989.
Okay.
Yeah. Tama, hindi ko naisip yung photojournalist. Walang photojournalist sa Batman and Robin. Sino ba yung
Si
director
Mr.
nito?
Freeze.
Si Tim
Tim
Burton.
Burton.
Tim Burton. Oh.
Tim Burton.
It is closer to those infamous Tim Burton sequels.
Sino yung nagbabatwiggle?
Baka si Joker.
Baka.
Might have been Joker.
Batwiggling triumph
You
dance.
know, what still holds up Jack Nicholson's
Ah,
incredibly
oo.
creepy laugh and Joker's makeup and butt wiggling triumph dance.
Makes sense. Okay, last na. What you say?
So, nagbabarilan lang sila. Okay.
Is it like a Fast
What
and
is this
Furious
skit? I
movie?
don't know this.
You don't know that? Oh my God!
Ayan na.
Ano?
It's an important piece of internet history.
Nakikita niyo yung mga recommendations ko. Wait, is it the same one as
Wait.
iba tong
Hindi,
No, yung Dear Sister.
Panoorin mo muna yung original, yung The OC. Kasi
sige.
yun yung pinaparody niya eh.
Oo nga eh. Alam ko iba siya eh. Ito yung original. What you say? Okay, so
Fred
we,
Armisen.
we went on this whole detour just to understand this this clue.
Okay, so nagbabarilan sila sa third act.
It could be anything.
Or nagpapatayan lang.
Basta
parang
it
death
has to be
becomes
something
her,
ridiculous.
But now I have the What You Say song in my head. Okay, let's do this one.
Di ba ganun yung death becomes her?
I haven't seen that
Oo.
one.
Yes.
This is top tier.
Hot-blooded and
Hot-blooded,
tightly
tightly
plotted,
plotted.
paced within an inch of its life and loaded with star performances. Its ideas of molten masculinity, playing... this is, The Departed.
Yeah.
There's flip phone
Barilan
action.
na lang sila sa likod.
Oo nga.
What is... Now I won't be able to watch the movie without
Ganda mo naman yan. Pero
Without hearing
kaya na lang sila sa
what you
ending.
say.
Oo nga. Yun nga yung third act niya.
Jumping bodies.
Yun nga yung third act niya.
Now whenever I see that
You're
scene, it will be like... I should say... Okay, I think it's good to end this session
A good place to end.
on that
Pero
note.
movie, tapos mare-resort mo sa ganyan.
may nagawa dati ng mod sa Fallout ba yun? Na pag namamatay ka, nagpa-play yung what you say.
What you say?
Babaril ka. What you say?
Okay.
Kasi nag-slow motion yun eh.
Thanks for coming, guys. This was the Kamote Show, season 16,
What
episode
you
5.
say?
We might get copyright striked. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Like and
Bye.
subscribe and all that jazz. Bye, guys. Bye.
Kailangan may soundboard yung what you say.
What you say? Gawa ka, Josiah.
May clip.
Bye.